critical.
Yeah, and don't put...
That's bad.
That's it?
Dude.
Dude. You should have just... Yeah.
Who else got yeast on
dip.
them?
I got yeast. That's alright. It's better...
I'm sure this kind of thing happens all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why you clean the bag.
Right. Yeast all over me. I don't think we lost too much.
No, it doesn't matter. Whatever.
Ew.
Yeah, I guess it's better to cut it standing up and not upside down. Either way, I think it would have exploded.
It would have exploded. It exploded up.
Yeah, it smells like yeast. It's all over your wall.
Oh yeah.
A yeast explosion. That's what we're gonna call our beer, the yeast explosion.
Premature.
That's the beer.